Why Facebook comments not loading on iPhone or iPad, and also let's see how to troubleshoot this issue. First of all, you need to try these quick solutions and this will fix the issue. By default, Facebook shows most relevant comments, and if Facebook comments not loading on iPhone or iPad, you need to clear cache and clear data and reinstall Facebook app. You can try refreshing the Facebook app. Check your Wi-Fi internet connection. Re-log into your Facebook. Solution 1. Refresh Facebook app. You need to refresh Facebook app, and by just swiping down on Facebook post you can refresh Facebook app. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. If you are not connected to internet or any Wi-Fi related issue, then this can happen, and you need to enable airplane mode and disable it and check for any networking connecting and Wi-Fi issues. Solution 3. Re-log into your Facebook account. Log out from your Facebook account and then you need to re-log in using your login details and check. Solution 4. Clear cache of Facebook application. iPhone/iPad. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Tap on menu icon on bottom right menu bar. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Now, select Settings option. Step 4. Scroll down to bottom and locate the browser option under Permissions and tap on it. Step 5. Now, tap on Clear, which will clear your browsing data and clear cache and data of Facebook application on iPhone or iPad. Solution 5. Uninstall and reinstall Facebook app. Step 1. Press and hold the Facebook app on your iPhone. Step 2. Now, select Remove app. Step 3. Select Delete app and uninstall Facebook app. Step 4. To install Facebook app and then go to Apple Store and search for Facebook. Step 5. Click on Get button to install Facebook app. Once you reinstall Facebook app, then your issue of Facebook app comment. Thanks for watching. For more, do subscribe and follow us. You can also visit our website www.asavvyweb.com for more tips and troubleshooting methods.